Hello everyone, today I have an unboxing of a birthday present. My friend Lisa, she told me she left this package at my door and she told me open this present and open it on camera. This one, it says, I've been thinking for a while about us. I want to experience new kind of flavors, if you know what I mean. So I thought next time we meet up at my place for dinner, we can use this to spice things up. What the fuck? Aww. I mean, ha 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 ha.
Hi guys, today I'm going to unbox a brand new shirt. It was like $4 or $5, like the material is going to be off. Like the packaging, it's honestly bad. And what is this? Man, this is not a shirt. This is some food? Fried pretzels?
I got a pair of Apple AirPods. They just came in the mail. I'm about to open these suckers up and show you guys what's inside and how they work. Tear that baby off. And here it is. Let me get all the contents out. Oh my. I don't know how this keeps happening, honestly, but they sent me a pack of honey roasted peanuts.
So my two favorite things on the planet are tea and cheese, and they go quite well together. My husband loves coffee. I love the smell of coffee in the morning. It's fantastic. But tea, oh, tea is amazing. I love tea and I could literally drink it all day long. So when you're a tea connoisseur, how you brew the tea is super, super, super important. So it's important to have a teapot that is the perfect brewing teapot. So I got this teapot that's one of those clear ones that has an infuser on the inside. So you can either use the infuser or you can use the blooming tea. I got the blooming teapot. Now what I wasn't sure about this teapot was I wasn't sure if it actually came with the base, or if I just was supposed to heat it on the stove, or if I was just supposed to brew the tea first and then pour it in there, like brew the water first and then just use it as a brewer. So I wasn't sure if it actually had a base that heated it up underneath it. I was kind of hoping it did, but it might not. Oh, you always gotta be careful when you use a knife when you're opening a package, because you don't want to stab anything on the inside. This box, there we go. Super exciting. Come on, dude. Okay. Yay! Check it out! There's my teapot. Isn't that pretty? Comes all nice package. They got this stuff in there. It's great stuff. So check this out. There it is. Oh, and it's made of borosilicate glass, which is it feels kind of greasy. Like there's grease on it or something? What? There's something else in this box. What in the heck? Moon cheese. Have you guys ever had moon cheese? It's awesome. It's basically cheese. My other favorite thing besides tea and moon cheese is like my favorite food. It's awesome because it tastes like crackers. It's crunchy, but it's cheese. How did that end up in there? I feel like someone's pranking me.
You know what? Today is my dream gonna be true. What is this? This is iPhone 11. Yes, guys, this is my dream. Here it is. This is in front of me and I am very excited. So I'm going to unbox it and let's start. I am Apple freak. Big fan of Apple. I was dreaming about Apple. It is boxing very well. Oh my. Where are you, my dream? Here it is. I have to unbox it. Oh my God. And here it is. And guys, here it is. This is my dream. Finally, it's in my hand. And I'm going to open it. Oh my God. This is packed so tightly, you know. Oh my God, I am going to see where it is. Yes, and this, where it is. Where's my phone? Oh my God. Where's my phone? Chocolate? I got this.
Ay, mi caja, mi solicitud, mis audífonos. Hay una tarjeta, espero disfrute lo solicitado. A ver. Mi caja, mis vecinos, ¿cierto? Para escuchar música. Diosa. Darme aquí con esto. Unas toallitas para limpiar los audífonos, instrucciones, manual, se ve fino, la caja se ve espectacular. ¿Qué es esto? 2 papas. O sea, me estafaron 2 papas.
Today is actually my birthday. Now my girlfriend, she got me a present. That this is gonna be the best gift I've ever gotten in my life. I don't know, like for real, I have no idea what she got me. It's a package. There is something. And I was trying to figure out what this is. I've been asking her questions like, is it something to wear? She said no. Is it something that I can use in my house? She said no. And she kept smiling and saying that I will never figure out what this is. Maybe she got me something like to decorate the car or to make it look better or something. I don't know. So, okay. Here it goes. Okay. So it's a box, it's open. There is. What? Where is this? Oh, I think I broke something. I'm gonna open my eyes in 3, 2, 1. What the heck? Are you fucking kidding me? Honey Nut Krispies.